Who's the artist? This, oh yeah, that too. This is a video. And I'm going to fly by all the paintings. Yes, that's good. That's good. I'm videoing everything, so you're going to be in it. This looks good with how Steve looks in it.
Excuse me, but are you related to Steve?
Steve who? I'm Terry Cards. I might know some Steves. Steve who? Steve who? Oh, yeah, yes. But I know a lot of Steves. My children know a little better. And so... So the bartender, barkeep. This is a video. Tall guy.
What up, Steve?
Yeah, we like to keep people posing. So I have to put different music since I don't record music very well. Well, I like the
Burning sunrise. Gorgeous.
I like the texture. I'm gonna have to get close up. Oh, there's something. You don't have to move. You don't have to move. So we got the color wheel thing happening here too.
Oh, now that you mention it, like
Oh, no kidding.
And all these people.
We did it.
They didn't care about us.
maybe in your